Karnataka's rape-accused Neta forced to return from his month-long extravagant German holiday bash. Suspended JDS MP Prajwal Revanna arrested as soon as he landed at the Bengaluru airport.
33 days that he's gone absconding. He has a lot of answering to do, a lot of questions that he has to answer, but it appears that he seems he could have been prepared by his lawyers in the 33 days. He may have had a conversation with them, and now and that's what that video that he released also speaks of.
And keeping the biggest vigil on his arrival was India Today, with unrelenting focus on the Karnataka sexgate accused.
We've got these amazing first images, Anaga, on our screens of Prajwal from just a few minutes ago. But I understand that the processing must be over. It's possible that he will be leaving for the CID very shortly. What are you hearing?
Well, that's right, Shiv, and he's going to be coming here with absolutely zero traffic. So we're expecting that, from the time when Prajwal starts from airport, he's going to be here in less than 30 minutes, because that's all that it takes with zero traffic from airport to the spot where we are at. That's the CID office near Vidhan Sodha. It's just going to take half an hour for Prajwal to come. The moment he starts from airport, the security situation is also going to get tightened up. Ambulances have been deployed over here.
Prajwal Revanna, who flew back on board Lufthansa flight LH0764, was taken into custody by the SIT officials tasked with investigating the charges against him. In a bid to send a strong message to the public and survivors in the Prajwal sexgate case, the SIT flaunted its Nari Shakti. An all-women 5-member police team escorted Prajwal Revanna out of the airport to the CID office.
As you can see, the two women police officers heading the CID team, Suman and Seema Ladkar. Well, that's Prajwal, that's Prajwal Revanna over there. He was escorted by the top cops of the Karnataka. The SIT team headed by Seema Ladkar and Suman. They've picked up Prajwal Revanna from the airport, and they got here in just about 25 to 30 minutes with topmost security.
Prajwal Revanna is accused of rape, sexual abuse and molestation by several women. And his return has sparked hope of justice for the survivors. With Anaga Keshav, Sagai Raj and Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.